Got him! Got him! Got him! Persistent collector. Really want another collector to come in, or a persistent payer. Possibly the lady. If the lady drops in, she's going to multiply. Well, she's going to add to all these values. Need a lady to drop in. Come on. Would you drop in, lady? Would you fucking drop in? Oh! That's a collecty. Okay. Would a lady drop in or another collecty? Or even one more box is going to be huge. Save us. Save us. Oh, that's still good. That's still good. Yes! That's still good.